My name is Untitled. So today I'll discuss about nomenclature of organic compound. Organic compound refers to a compound consisting of hydrocarbon. CO2 is inorganic, CH4 is organic, and H2CO3 is inorganic. Hydrocarbon is a group of atoms consisting of carbon and hydrogen. There are two types of hydrocarbon. Aliphatic has no benzene ring, aromatic has benzene ring. In naming the organic compound, this is the prefix we use. For number of carbon, 1 is methyl, 2 eth, 3 prop, 4 butyl, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 hepta, 8 octa, 9 nona, 10 deca. Number of frequency of branches is 2 di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa. Hydrocarbon, there are two types. Alkane, alkane with all single bond, alkene with double bond, alkyne with triple bond. A saturated organic without any functional group which is formed by a chain of hydrocarbon all joined by a single bond. That's the general formula of C2H2N plus 2. See example C4H10. This is the expanded form and this is the condensed form. Guidelines in naming alkane. Choose the longest chain that will be the parents. Number the carbon atom from a terminal carbon where the branch is closest. Name the branch using a prefix based on number of carbon atom. Then add the suffix "-il". Name the parent according to the number of carbon atom plus suffix "-ane". Acknowledge the carbon position of the branch, then name the compound starting from branch and followed by a parent. Arrange the branches in alphabetical order except for the prefix di, tri. For multiple same branches, use the prefix corresponding frequency. Okay, for example, number 1. Name this hydrocarbon. We need to choose the longest parent chain. This is the longest. And the rest here, this is the branches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We count the number of the parent here from the nearest branch. From here, because this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, this is already a branch, and this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this one is more near. Okay. We name this branch as ethyl. As the rule here, it's eth. Okay, so we name that as ethyl. And add YL. This ethyl. This one here is also ethyl because it has 2. This one is propyl. And this one, only one, and we name this as methyl. Okay. So we name this as 4.5 diethyl. Diethyl because there has 2 ethyl. So from number 4 and number 5 is 1. So 4.5 diethyl. 6 methyl and 5 propyl desane. We use alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. So 4.5 diethyl, 6 methyl, and 5 propyl desane. Next, number 2. We choose the longest parent chain here. I think this one is the longest. And the rest here, this is the branch. Count from the nearest branches. I think this is more near 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now we name the branches. This one is only one branches for methyl. This one ethyl here. This one methyl, and this one ethyl. Okay, now we start to name it. This this has two methyl, so the name is dimethyl. 3.5 dimethyl. From the parent chain number 3 and 5, we have methyl, so we not 3, make 3.5 and 4.6 diethyl. Sorry. We start from the alphabetical order, so 4.6 diethyl, 2.3.5 methyl hexane. Okay. Next, number 3, name this one. Okay. This is the longest parent chain. And this is the branches here, here, and here. Count from the where the branch is more near. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. I think this one is more near. 1, 2, 3, 4, until 8. Okay, this is another branch. Now we name the branch. This one is ethyl, methyl, methyl, methyl. Okay, so this is how to name it. This one has two methyl, so the name is dimethyl. So 5.5, because both methyl is at number 5, so 5.5 dimethyl 3. Yeah, sorry. Methyl, all is methyl, so in 3 and 5, so we name it 3,5,5 trimethyl, trimethyl hexane. Okay. Next, isomer are ionic compound having the same chemical formula but with different molecular structure. This is the example. Pentane. The formula is C5H12. The UPAC name is pentane. Common name is N-pentane. 2-methylbutane. This is the formula is also the same as pentane C5H12, but the organic compound is different. You see the structure is different. Isopentane. So we name this one. We name it first. This okay. This is simple, right? This one is methyl. So we name this one as 2-methyl pentane. The formula is C6H18. Sorry. The formula is C6H12. And we name this one branches only. It's easy to name. So the name is 3-methylpentane. The formula is also the same, C6H14. And the third one, This one, the name is 2.2 dimethyl. The formula is the same also, C6H14. So this is all is isomers. You see, as you can see, the name is different and the structure is different, but the formula is the same. Okay, the next one. Naming alkane and alkynes. Alkene is an organic compound whose functional group is in form of carbon-carbon double bond and has a general formula. Alkyne is an organic compound whose functional group is in form of carbon-carbon triple bond and has general formula of CnH2n plus 2. Guidelines in naming alkene and alkynes. Using suffix "-ine" for alkenes and "-ine" for alkynes. Acknowledge the carbon position of double bond or triple bond when naming alkene and alkyne. Number the carbon atom from the parent chain starting from the terminal where a double bond or triple bond is nearest or closest. The naming of branches applies the same rules in naming alkanes. The numbering of carbon atom must be using smallest possible set of numbers. The first one here, we name this doesn't have a branch. So we count from the nearest double bond. This is the double bond, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay. The double bond is at number 3 parent chain. So we name this one as 3-nonene because it's alkene, so nonene. Okay. Okay. So this one, number 2, I think this is the longest parent chain here. And this is the branches. The rule said we count from the nearest double bond or triple bond. This is triple bond, so we start count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This here is called this one propyl, and this ethyl. How to name this? We name this one as the propyl is number 7, ethyl also number 7, so 7.7 ethyl, 7 propyl. The double bond is at number 3, so 3 decyl. This is I because it's triple bond. So this is alkyne, different from number 1, used in because it's double bond. Okay. Continue number 3. This is the longest parent chain. And this is the branches. We count from the double bond, the closest double bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is butyl. So we name this one as 4-butyl 3-nonene because the this is double bond is at number 3. Okay, next one, number 4. This is the longest parent chain. This is the branches here. 1, 2. The closest is this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. This one here is called ethyl. This one called methyl. Okay. How to name this? This is named as 3-ethyl 9-methyl. This has 11 for aldehyde. Since this has two triple bonds in this one in carbon number one, number five, so we name this 1.5 diene. Die because of two, I means triple bond. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.